Hey guys, happy Wednesday. Very exciting. You've made it through like half the week. Couple of things for today. One, we have our student of the month, or student of the week, little chapel thingamajigger recognition today at 10:15. Zoom info's on Google Classroom. So come cheer on your classmate. Today will be Zach Arnaud. And secondly, you've got your retail summary due tonight, so make sure you finish that up. It only has to be one paragraph, looking at the first quadrant of the book, whichever one you are reading. And thirdly, tomorrow there's a spider over there. It's kind of terrifying. I'm going to make this quick. So tomorrow we have a book club. Okay, so I will be putting out times. It'll show up tomorrow, but it's either going to be at 1:30, 1:30, or 2, depending on which book you have. So check your Google Classroom tomorrow to know what time. These are required, and there are some questions you're going to need to have answered before you come into the Zoom meeting. So just be prepared for that. And that's it. I'll see you guys later.